today we are at Mercer Island again with another air-cooled Generac generator installation. And the job has been almost completed. Inspection is passed, gas is connected, electrical is connected. We're waiting for PSC to connect the meter. The generator is sitting in front of the house. I'm going to show you right here. And the conduit and the gas is going all the way down. We had a special case here for the location, because you're going to see in a minute that the meter was on the other side of the house under the wood structure, and there was no way that we could have the generator down there, so we had to place it here. It's far from any windows, doors, openings, and it's an 18 kilowatt house is on natural gas, so it's good enough to feed the whole house. I'm gonna go down there to show you more the transfer switch location, and yeah, we're gonna be able to find it up in a minute. So here is the location of the transfer switch. We were up there in that corner, and as you can tell, there is a big slope here, so we couldn't have the generator down here. We had no choice to put the generator up there and bring the conduits down here. Gas is already done, inspected, electrical done and inspected, and we're going to be able to put the power back in probably 10 minutes. This is going to be here to reconnect the meter, and we can test the generator and leave.